I am Holly Olson, an intern at the Pakistan Research Group. Today I am giving a presentation on the Karakoram Highway, also known as the KKH. Here are some facts about the KKH. The KKH is known as the highest elevated paved international highway in the world. Though the KKH connects Pakistan to China, it comes within 160 miles of 4 different countries: Pakistan, China, India, and Tajikistan. The highway is useful to all of these countries, but most especially strategically useful to Pakistan and China, due to the unrest between Pakistan and India. To get from Pakistan into China, you need to travel through the Karakoram Pass. This pass is found in the northernmost part of Pakistan and is the highest part of the Karakoram Highway at 15,397 feet. The Karakoram Highway is also known as the Friendship Highway. This is because the KKH was built by the Pakistan and Chinese governments as a safer way to travel between the two countries. The KKH is not for the faint of heart. Heavy rains can cause mudslides and landslides. The road is not cleared during the winter. There are potentially steep falls off of the unprotected side of the road. At times, the highway narrows to a single lane without warning. The highway in some places is very rough to drive on, though it is usually paved well. Rock falls and avalanches can frequently occur. Between the start of the construction of the KKH in 1959 to its completion in 1979, 810 Pakistani workers and 200 Chinese workers lost their lives due mainly to landslides and avalanches. Though the KKH officially starts in Hassan Abdal, many people like to start in the Gilgit-Baltistan region. There is much to see when you are in this area. The Hazan Valley is a deeply fascinating area as the historic Silk Road passes through it, a trade route which has been active for centuries. Atabad Lake was formed in 2010 by a massive landslide. As the landslide destroyed much of the highway in the Hazan Valley, the only way you could continue on the KKH was by boarding a boat with your car and traveling for 40 minutes over the lake. In 2012, a revised route was built by Pakistan. This route goes around the lake at a higher elevation with 5 new tunnels. The Karakoram National Park has much wildlife, and few people have seen the Himalayan ibex and the snow leopard. There are many stunning mountain peaks, glaciers, lakes, and rivers along the Karakoram Highway. These are just a few that you can see as you travel along the beautiful but treacherous highway. Because of the length and condition of the KKH, you need to ensure that you and your vehicle are prepared. Some ideas are: check your tires to ensure they are fully inflated and not too old. Also have at least 2 good spares. Check all fluids in your car and make sure they are adequate. Carry additional fluid for possible need. Make sure that the belts and hoses are not excessively worn. You will be passing through remote areas. Carry at least 64 ounces of water per person for each day of your travel. Bring enough food to keep your hunger at bay. And most important, check the weather and prepare adequately as well. This is a short video by a travel company that highlights parts of the Karakoram Highway. I hope you have all enjoyed the presentation of the Karakoram Highway. My resources are WikiVoyage, Wikipedia, Dangerous Roads, and travelandleisure.com. I also got information from the Britannica. For more information about the Karakoram Highway, please visit the links below, from BBC Two and from the Wall Street Journal. Thank you very much.